today is Tuesday, but you may notice that our calendar looks very different than it did yesterday. And that's because we are not in November anymore. We now moved on to a new month, December. And there are lots of fun things that happen in December. And one that you probably know about and are already thinking about is a holiday, Christmas. This word is Christmas. All right, and now I'm looking on my calendar down here, and it is 2, 3, 4. It's gonna happen right here, okay? That is Christmas. There's our Christmas day. Can't wait for Christmas. I love that's my favorite holiday. All right, and so we've been talking some about Christmas, and we'll talk some more about it in the upcoming weeks and learning all about Christmas and Christmas fun. All right, but let's talk about what our day is today. And so it's the very first day of the month. I need the number 1. It is right here. Today is Tuesday, December the 1st. All right, and now let's count how many days we've been in school. To do that, I'm gonna add another straw to my ones column. Here it is. All right, and now I'm gonna count these by tens because I know that I've already counted them out. I shouldn't have to count them again, right? Okay, these are all tens. And then I'm gonna count these by ones. I'm gonna keep counting by ones, and we'll figure out how many days we've been in school. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. We've been in school for 58 days. All right, now let's build our number 58. All right, to do that, I want to see how many groups I have in each column. All right, so first I want to put in my tens number. How many groups of 10 do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10, so I need to put a 5 in my tens column. And look, there it is, already there. All right, and now I'm gonna come right here and see how many ones are in my ones column. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to put an 8 on my ones column. Here it is. I'm gonna flip from a 7 over to an 8. And now I've built the number 58. Read that number with me. 58. Read it again. 58. All right, let's flip over our number 58. Yesterday was 57. Okay, so what do you think the 58 is gonna look like? 50 numbers always start with a 5, and then I can hear an 8, 58. So I bet that the next number is an 8. What do you think? There it is. Read it with me. 58. Read it again. 58. One more time. 58. All right, we've been in school for 58 days. All right, now here's our penny. We've been learning about penny. You know the rhyme. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Today I'm going to teach you about a nickel. See my nickel? Here it is right here. And you can see when I hold it up next to my penny, even though these are both really big, that the nickel is a little bit bigger than my penny. Okay? Nickels are also really thick and fat, and that's what our rhyme will say that we're going to learn today. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. You ready? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Okay, so a nickel is worth 5, where a penny is only worth 1. Okay, so it's worth a little bit more money. All right, now I'm gonna hold up a shape. I'm gonna describe it to you, and I'm gonna see if you can guess what my shape is. Are you ready? Okay. This is definitely a solid shape because there's so much space when I'm holding it. All of the sides are equal. There's 8 vertices, and every face on this 3D shape is a square. It looks kind of like a dice, like a big dice. What could it be? It's a cube. Did you say cube? If you said cube, you were right. It's a cube. Today's shape is a cube. Now let's do all of our shapes. You ready? Cone, sphere, cylinder, cube. That's the one we had today, wasn't it? Hexagon, square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Great job. All right. Now we're going to look at our dot cards. Look at me. 6, 10, 7, 9, 5, 0, 4, 8, 2, 3, 1. Great job. All right, now let's look at our number of the day. We've been looking at teen numbers. What teen number is this? 19, because I can see the 9, so I know it's a 19. Say that number. 19. What number? 19. All right, now let's build it, okay? Got out my jar. How many is this? 10. I don't have to count everyone. I'm going to count from 10. I'm going to put 10 in, and I'm going to keep counting by ones because I'm going to use these. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, so 19 is one set of 10 and 9 ones left over. You see all my ones in there? That's a lot. If I had one more one, I'd have to switch it out for another 10 rod, wouldn't I? All right, so 19 is our number of the day. So let's go do it.